Welcome back, gentlemen and ladies. You're kicking it with Simply Smooth here at Venice Beach.
We're here to bring you entertainment, advice, and more.
So smash that subscribe button.
Let's just do this.
What advice can you ladies give to gentlemen trying to,
Slide in the DMs? Honestly, like, just being nice and like giving out compliments, I'd say, but like not being fake at the same time. So like being pretty genuine is good.
Well, I know a lot of guys think that girls think it's unattractive to be shy, but we don't care if they're shy. Cause I know there's like guys that are like insecure, but just don't be shy.
Guys rarely ask girls out anymore, especially like at bars and settings. I think it's really rare that someone just comes up to me and like asks me more than just like, what's your name? How are you? They're never like, you want to grab a drink? Or it's nice to be asked out formally by people.
Make a genuine effort, because definitely like girls see through that shit real quick. Like if you're just trying to get in, then like it's pretty obvious, you know? Yeah.
I agree. I say just be real, be yourself.
Sharing emotions, I guess. Like it's okay to like cry and stuff like that in front of us. It's cool. Like not to keep that stuff in. You should trust your partner.
I think there's a lack of a lot of guys out there who are willing to just be like, I like you, let's go out. So I guess just having like a formal date and like asking a girl out, being a gentleman is like really important.
I don't want to be asked to hang out anymore. I hate that. I don't want to hang out. I want to go somewhere.
Don't be like too locked in, let your emotions out, and also don't be too cocky. Like don't have too much confidence. Yeah. And I agree with them.
Confidence and respect. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, bye.